Hello, I'm Daniel Later, founder of Later CPA and Associates, and welcome back to our ongoing series, Building a Successful Private Practice from Beginning to Infinity. I tell you, I get no respect. I went to my therapist. He said, I need to open up. I went to my accountant. He said, I need to close out. I said, which one of you is actually going to help me? He said, buddy, that's above my pay grade. No respect, I tell you. No respect at all. Yeah. All right. So this week, our topic is going to be deducting your professional liability insurance and other insurance policies too. Now, this one might seem a little bit of common sense, and that's okay, but there's someone out there who needs to hear it. So let's dive in. So imagine paying hundreds or even thousands of dollars each year for insurance policies to protect your business, and then realizing you missed out on deducting them at tax time. Today, we're going to cover how professional liability insurance and other business related policies can save you money when filed correctly. So, why does this matter? Insurance is a necessary cost for running a private practice. Many therapists overlook deducting certain of their premiums, leaving money on the table. Understanding what is deductible helps reduce your taxable income and keep more cash in your pocket. So, what to include as a deductible business expense? First off, clearly your professional liability or malpractice insurance. You might have it depending on what type of therapist or professional you are, but it is a fully deductible business expense. You might also have general liability or property insurance or business insurance, something along the lines of an umbrella policy. This is deductible if it's tied to your office or your equipment, etc. It is not deductible if it's including parts of your personal stuff. That can be separated out. We'll talk about that a little bit more. Um, you might have something called business interruption insurance. This is deductible when it's purchased, but any payouts are going to be taxable. So keep that in mind. Now, we've talked about health insurance in the past. Health insurance is another policy. It can go through your business for you self-employed people, and it is a deduction, but it's a little bit separate and a little bit different than a normal business deduction. Still an improvement on your tax situation, though. So keep that in mind. Your health insurance policies and premiums. Now, if you have disability insurance, now we're getting into some really more complicated stuff. Talk with your tax professional about the disability insurance. Most likely, it's probably not going to be tax deductible, but there are edge cases where it can be tax deductible. So talk with your professional when you have disability insurance. Now, what are the benefits of claiming your health insurance or your what are the benefits of claiming your insurance policies as deductible business expenses? This should be pretty clear. It lowers your taxable income. It also helps to legitimize your business. If there's ever any question later down the road, simply having an insurance policy is a strong argument in favor that your business is not something it's not supposed to be. Now, some practical tips to keep in mind. Keep your policy statements and premiums invoices with your bookkeeping records. You can pay it through the business. That's fine. Make sure it's categorized correctly in your bookkeeping software or via your bookkeeping service. And deduct only the business related portion of any policies, especially if you have a mixed use policy. If you have a great policy that you don't want to give up, great premiums, covers your business, covers your house, covers your car, whatever the arrangement would be, that's good, but only the part that covers your business or your business activities would be a deductible part for the business. So keep that in mind for any of you with packages or mixed use policies. Talk to your CPA when you have one of these bundled policies, and they'll help you understand how to separate it, how to track it, etc. So make sure you're keeping your professional in the loop. Also, practical advice, review your coverage regularly. Once a year is a good idea. That way you make sure you're not overpaying or undercovered for what you need. Now, as a last question, do you have the insurance policy that you need? Are you including it on your tax return? Is it factoring into your tax strategy and your long-term strategy um, when it comes to eventual progression of the business? What if something happens to you? How does insurance factor into all of that? We talked about that a couple weeks ago. But remember, having an insurance is good. It's not fun paying the cost, especially if you never see a benefit. But then you never really actually want to have to use insurance, then, do you? It's more of a just in case. So, if you have any questions on this topic, go ahead and DM me, message me directly, or any other way of communicating with me. I'm happy to answer any questions about this. If you would like to schedule a free 30-minute discovery call with my firm, either with myself or someone else, DM us. We'll send you a calendar link. We'll get something on the schedule and we'll give you a free 30-minute discovery call to talk about your business, you, and your tax strategies. Don't forget to follow and like so you can be made aware of future events and get more tax tips from us, and visit our website, latercpa.com. I will see you all next time on the next video. Have a great weekend. Keep helping others to help themselves, and let us help you while you do that. Bye.